I'm going to go get remarried and have more kids. And when she does her next screw up and goes to jail for 10 years, I'm going to try and reestablish with my daughter.
Eric Stevens did not mince words Monday when it came to his ex-wife. This morning, Tiffany Stevens took a plea deal, putting to bed at least one drawn-out legal battle between the two, in which Eric accused her of hiring someone to murder him. The other, a brutal custody battle over their daughter, continues.
7 years of not seeing my daughter. Now she's pled guilty in criminal court, and the divorce court 3 weeks ago transferred the case to New York.
Tiffany will serve no time, only 5 years of probation for the conviction of inciting injury to persons. A fortunate outcome, considering what could have been.
Defendant's own words recorded for you.
Just a few months ago, her case went to trial. The prosecutor asked jurors to focus on an incriminating tape recording in which he said Tiffany is heard asking handyman John McDade to kill Eric for $5,000.
Just do it. Please. When?
So.
But defense attorney Hubie Santos raised questions about Tiffany's mental state at the time, alleging that Eric mentally abused her, and she also had a drug addiction.
It was a complicated case because it really came down to her mental status.
The trial resulted in a hung jury, a process that has Stevens making his own hefty allegations about the judicial system.
Basically, in Connecticut, if you throw enough money at people, you can get away with murder.
Louisa Moeller, Fox, Connecticut.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wisdom and knowledge is coming. Wisdom and knowledge is coming. Okay, everybody, you just heard that video. You saw the video I saw. You heard about the woman, the man, their daughter, and what the courts did. You know, there's no jury involved because she pled guilty to inciting injury instead of, I guess that would be soliciting murder or attempted murder. Or I don't know what the exact charge would be for hiring someone to kill your husband for $5,000. So the jury didn't have anything to do with that because she pled guilty to her charges. And you know that she got 5 years probation. But before I go ahead and say anything about her, the judge, the courts, I want to say something to the man, because I don't know what to say to him. He sounds like an older blue pill guy to myself. Because, like I said in one of my previous videos, I'm more critical of men than women. And I want to say about this man, he's one stupid motherfucker. Yes, I think your name is Eric. You'll see in the box. But you stupid motherfucker, you just got shafted in court. You're not seeing, look, even before that, you weren't seeing your daughter. You're not seeing your daughter now. The woman still has custody of your daughter. And you're going to say, hold up, you got screwed in divorce. She tried to have somebody hired to kill you and got probation. And you still going to sit there and say that, hey, that you want to get married again and have more kids. So for what purpose? So you can repeat this whole process again? That's ridiculous. Excuse me. That should be one of the last things on your mind. Getting married again and having more kids. Getting married and having children, well, with the woman that you had kids and got married to, is what got you where you are now. Just saying. All right, now let me deal with this woman. Excuse me, whore. Damn it, I meant slut. But whatever she is. First of all, $5,000. You're going through a bitter case over custody because, well, you've made it bitter, woman. You know, there's plenty of women that are preventing men from seeing their kids, and, well, the courts don't give a shit about men. Don't give about 5% of damn shit. Don't give a shit about them damn children, because you wouldn't be doing that if you did. And I got to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. Women, there are some women that raise us and say that they really need feminism, and they really do need feminism. They need feminism for shit like this, so they can continue to get away with shit, and nobody will say any fucking thing about it. Women get far less time than men for the same crimes. Now, you want to talk about a wage gap myth, which doesn't exist, like nobody knows it already. But here you actually have a criminal court myth, gap. I don't know. Sentencing gap. There we go. Yeah, that's how it is. A sentencing gap. And that actually exists, and feminists will not talk about it. You bitches won't say one fucking word about it. And it's fucked up. And she shouldn't have got 5 years of probation. She should have got 25 years in the slammer. 25 years behind bars. That would have been good. Even if it was 5 years behind bars. That would have been better than just probation. How the fuck is she still on the street? What are you going to do when she says, you know what? This last guy didn't come through for me. I got to get somebody else to do it now. For never $5,000. Seriously. And the judge, you know you're a bastard, right? Male or female, you're a fucking bastard. You deserve... I don't even want to say what you deserve, but it's pretty bad. And the man says, accuses them of having money thrown at them. That's what got her probation. And I forgot about that. She still has custody of the daughter. Prevent the man from seeing his kid and still has custody. Try to have the man killed and still has custody of her daughter. That's fucked up. That would never have happened had he done the same. And this is fucked up. It's sexist. It's misinterest. And nobody's going to complain about this. Hey, listen, fellas. Shit like this is the reason why you should stop having children with, well, pretty much from probably, I can't even tell you how many, what the percentage of women, but a whole lot of them. More than you think. If you think I'm just off about this, like this rarely happens. No, this ain't super rare. Oh, some of the stuff might be rare, like having,